Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a tune-up report today on the Stryker SR-94HPC. Real small radio here, you know, size of my hands. Little bitty guy. Alright, anyway. This is for Jonathan in New York. Jonathan, we're starting on AM mode low power. And the low power is when the display says 4. Regardless of what low power is, which, let's see, low power is, oops, about 3. And 50 watts slug, looking in the middle there. Audio, check. Audio. Bounces all over there. Let's call it about 20. Okay. Push this button. Okay, this is that. 10 is going to be 10. 10 is 10. 10 is the one we match up, and then as close as 3 comes to 4, it does, or it doesn't. We can't control that. It follows along the 10 one. Audio, check. Audio, check. Alright, let me see if it goes a little above that. Put in 100 and read it on the bottom. That line right there is the slug. Audio. Turn this volume down. Audio. Check. Audio. 54, 55. Audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Okay. Now it's a 10-meter race. We get also mode up here, FM. Now we got 4, 10, and 40 for FM. So here's 4. It's going to track along the same as the other guy. It'd be 3. Here's 10. It's going to, oops. There's 10. It's going to also track along with the other one. And here's 40. Beep. There's 100 on top. And here's about 40, about 39. FM, so there's no peak power to see there. Alright. Got a big sound on the speaker. Hey, breaker 19 for radio check. I appreciate it, driver. Thank you very much.
I was going to say, I got mine.
You got yours too?
Yeah, both of them.
Well, hell. You can only talk at one at a time.